married, no, अगर आप थोड़े over friendly भी हो जाते हो ना, तो भी लोगों को पता है ये
married है. When you become over friendly, they'll think you want them or whatever.
Yeah,
you're like you're
that's the
available. Yeah.
difference.
So you know I have faced a lot of consequences when, you know, because I'm not married and others are married, and, you know, people get very insecure, especially women around me, if they're with their husbands, and if I'm looking a little prettier, they become, "Arey yaar, she's single. Is she searching for a prey?"
Very, very important, yaar. Yes.
Women think that about me.
Yes.
A lot of women I've experienced women being more bitchier to me, sorry to use that word, than men. I don't even like him or her. I mean,
It's
whoever
not about
it is.
you liking, it's about the husband liking you.
अगर मैं ठीक ठाक हूँ और मैं शादी नहीं की मैंने, तो इसका मतलब थोड़ी ना होता है कि मुझे कोई भी मतलब पसंद आ जाएगा. और women are more bitchier. Sorry, I want to say that. Single women.
Yes.
I don't think it's about her liking them. It's more that they are worried about the husbands liking them, because they are.
The
Equation is that men are the ones who will start hitting on you. So
the statement here is, the man is not being a bitch. The woman is.
because their anger can only come towards you. It cannot tell the husband that you are going to be hitting on this girl. So it's a reciprocal thing.
So I've been facing.
Yeah, so
I've been bearing this.
You're right. ये मेरे दिमाग में नहीं आया, but yeah, like married woman would be insecure of you.
Of course, she's so
like
pretty.
A pretty girl and,
there, standing there, looking prettier than my husband is going to flip for her. Then
be prettier than me, yeah.
It makes them so insecure.
But that affects me.
Yes.
That gives me some kind of trauma. I mean, you're my species. I stand up for you. I talk. I want women to know a lot of other things also, apart from all this. And then you being my fellow sex, you're behaving like this. It hurts me.
Do you think women towards other women can be very bitchy compared to
Of course, yes. They are more bitchier than the guys are.
Yeah. Guys are easy peasy. They're on the face, whatever it is. Women are complex
Because
creatures.
they get insecure about these things.
So men don't get insecure about their wives?
They do. They do. If they have a very pretty looking wife, and their friends are hitting them, they will be like completely insecure all around them. It's similarly, so women come out like being bitchy to another woman.
See, I haven't faced men being bitchy to me because I've always been surrounded by people who are married, who are happily married, and the women have the guard around. Okay, she should not talk to my husband, even if it's for discussing work
Yeah.
or a shot or anything. She should not talk to me. Please, just because I'm not married, that doesn't make me a woman who will be hitting on everybody. Yaar. Come on, yaar.
So she's right. मतलब वो insecurity husband से है, भरोसा husband पे नहीं है.
No, but all men are polygamous. So they are more worried about the husband who's hitting on a pretty woman, talking to them, he starts hitting on her.
ये जो था ना, men are polygamous. Do you think women are very monogamous now?
They're not, but all men are polygamous.